it going to be dive or belly flop?
You know what's a ta-ta?
No, you go. All right, Fifi, you got to wait.
She's Gaga. I'm going.
Go ahead. I'll be right behind. And we go on the big one. Okay.
Fifi, wait for Dada.
Chin down. Keep your chin down. Are you waiting for Granddaddy? Okay.
That board very,
What happened? You didn't wait for Dada. Here. All right, go get on there.
Go, Dada. You're on video. Good job.
Where are you going, Billy?
Oh, yeah, do the slide. That's fun.
now what we're going to do?
The slide.
Amy. Oh, never mind. It's on my head.
Mom's got him.
All right, let's see you go down the slide. Go.
Hey, Tracy, take that thing you have on your head and go put it on the baby.
Well, I want to see you go down the slide first.
Okay, I'm still videoing.
All right, come on.
Get on the slide, honey.
She can go. Let her go. Let her go.
I'm going to get you up there. Go on. You cannonball. Let me see. You're going to have to wait till you get out there. Yeah, baby. Yeah, I can come like some on my phone. Here she comes. That was fast. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I thought you were.
She can swim. Let her swim.
I was afraid to catch you. I thought you were going to take my head off.
Good job. Do it again. Do it again.
But like a barely like down.
Came out fine. That's what
Here's a little bit.
Clear out their lanes.
Yeah.